There is also a group of materials called semiconductors. There is also some group of materials which are called as semiconductor. Uh, they have a special properties when it comes to allow electricity to pass. When they allow to pass electricity, they have a special properties. They are the semiconductors. They are not the insulator, neither the insulator nor the conductors. ठीक है. Silicon is a good example. Semiconductors are used in microchips of for computers. अब सेमीकंडक्टर्स क्या होते हैं, सिलिकॉन क्या गुड एग्जांपल है किसी सेमीकंडक्टर की. सेमीकंडक्टर ना तो इंसुलेटर होते हैं ना तो कंडक्टर होते हैं. ठीक है. दे आर एट द बॉर्डर लाइन ऑफ द कंडक्टर एंड द इंसुलेटर. दे आर ए गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ सेमीकंडक्टर इज द सिलिकॉन विच इज यूज्ड इन द which is used in the microchips for the computer. Silicon chips एक होती हैं कंप्यूटर के अंदर that are used as a semiconductor. So silicon is a good semiconductor. ठीक है. The diagram shows a circuit that can be used to test whether a material is a conductor or an insulator. There is a circuit which shows whether the material that we are used is a conductor or the insulator. If it is insulator, simply means if it is insulator, the electricity will not pass and the bulb will not glow. If the material is a conductor, then the electricity will pass and the bulb will glow. ठीक है. So electricity is provided by a cell or a battery and switch control the circuit. So किसी भी circuit में एक battery होती है that is compulsory in order to work the circuit, और एक switch होता है. If the switch is open, then the electricity will not pass, and if the switch is closed then the electricity is passed, and from the battery the power supply goes toward the wire, and as a result the bulb will glow if the testing material is a conductor. If it is insulator it will not glow. ठीक है. So this is a circuit which shows the whether the material is conductor or insulator. ठीक है. If the testing material is a conductor, the bulb will light when the switch is on. When we on the switch, the bulb will on if it is a conductor. ठीक है. So here is a just circuit to show the whether the material is a conductor or a insulator. The next is the circuit diagrams. सर्किट डायग्राम क्या होता है हमारे पास के sometime we do not use the whole picture of that circuit, we just use the symbols in order to represent that diagram. ठीक है. So here are the symbols of some circuit diagrams, so we can draw it easily. ठीक है. It is not always convenient to draw a picture of the electrical component in a circuit. Also, if a person is not a good artist, other people will not understand the drawing. Sometimes ऐसा होता है कि कुछ लोगों की ड्राइंग अच्छी नहीं होती, या वो आर्टिस्ट अच्छे नहीं होते, तो we use the symbols of the electrical component instead of using the diagram of the electrical circuit. ठीक है. So for that purpose we use the electrical symbols. Scientists and the electrical engineers use a symbol to represent the part of an electrical circuit. The diagrams below right use some of the standard symbols. So then फिर scientists and the electrical engineers they use the electrical symbol in order to represent the circuit. Look at this. This is a symbol of a switch, and this is a wire. Straight line is a wire, and this is a bulb, and this is a battery. ठीक है. So battery में कितने सेल हैं? 1, 2 and 3. One is a positive terminal, another is a negative terminal. One is a positive, another is a negative. So these are the symbols which represent the electrical components instead of drawing the whole diagram. Switch, wire, bulb and battery. ठीक है. And the switch is on, then the current is passes from the supply. The current is passes supply is स्विच ऑन होगा तो ये जो हमारे पास बैटरी है ये सप्लाई करेगी वोल्टेज. एज अ रिजल्ट वो वायर से पास होता हुआ ये बल्ब खींचेगा, ग्लो करेगा, वो कंडक्टर होगा. ठीक है. तो ये हमारे पास क्या है, डायग्राम शो द इनसाइड ऑफ द टॉर्च. अब ये इनसाइड टॉर्च के अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ होती है वो शो कर रहा है. ठीक है. इट इज़ अ सेल और इसके अंदर बाकी इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है. ठीक है. सो दिस इज़ हाउ वी रिप्रेजेंट द circuit diagram without using their full electrical components. Instead of we are using electrical symbols to present the electrical circuits. Okay. Did you know semiconductors are the good conductor when hot but poor conductor when cold? Semiconductor क्या होते हैं? Good conductor होते हैं तब when it is hot, but it is a poor conductor when it is cold. Okay. So ये हो गया हमारे पास complete topic. Next is test yourself. You have to do it on your neat notebooks. There are 4 questions. ठीक है.